Hi everyone, welcome back to Moms Learn Too, where there's always something new to learn, do, and pursue. I'm Sophia, and today I'm going to show you the information I found on how to clean your toaster. A super easy way to clean it. You won't believe how easy it is. We don't use our toaster all the time, but there's always one cooking experiment we want to try, and we'll need our toaster. So on moving day, I saw all of these crumbs at the bottom that just wouldn't come out when I would turn it upside down to shake it. Let's get started. First thing you're going to do is look under your toaster to see if you have a tray or doors. If you have doors, it's going to look like this. Send me a comment below to see what kind of toaster you have. To open the door, you're going to squeeze the metal clasp and pull the door open. Let me show you again. You're going to squeeze the metal clasp and pull the door open like so. There are all the crumbs to be cleaned out. Ta-da! Make sure you have the electrical cord away from the water so you won't injure yourself or damage your appliance. Next, you can just use soap and water and a sponge or whatever cleaning tools you have. Finally, wipe around the outside using a towel or cleaning wipe. And ta-da! The toaster is all clean. That was so easy. Feel free to comment below. You can also subscribe and click the bell icon so that you'll know when any new videos are posted.